Welcome to the new UI widget tutorials. Sometimes after using widget generators or changing text mesh through font, you notice the text is no longer visible. This tutorial is about why it happens and how to solve it. First, let's look at text mesh pro component. Here is the object. They have the same text and font size, but different fonts. You can check their heights in layout properties. I will be using layout grouped with enabled control height. Heights are very different. The lowest is around 45 and height is around 58. After I changed the height to 50, only 2 of them were left visible. There are a few solutions to fix this. You can change the overflow option to overflow instead of truncate, or increase the height of the text object. But using UI themes can be a better solution. You can open the theme and adjust the font size for whole object at the same time. The same can happen with default text components, but usually they don't have such a large height difference, so it doesn't result in such problems. That's all, thanks for watching.